How to download and install CSGO for your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can download and install CSGO for your Windows PC. So to download CSGO, you first need Steam. So if you already have Steam, then you can simply open it. If not, you can open any web browser and type in download Steam and install the Steam. Now, once you have successfully downloaded Steam, you can simply click onto this search the store and search for CSGO and then hit the enter button. Now here you can see the Counter-Strike 2. So simply click onto this and from here we will be able to install it. Now from here you can click onto this play game. So click onto this play game option and once you'll click onto this play game, let the process happen, and now it asks me to select that particular storage where I want to install it. So currently I don't have enough space in my C drive, so I'm going to click onto the manage storage, and from here I will choose my other drive. So I'll click onto the add drive and add a new system drive, which is my other D drive, and once that has been added I will choose that particular D drive. Then the next thing after selecting the particular drive is that I click onto this install button and wait for the installation process to begin. So our installation process can be seen right here, and you can see that the download has started, and from here you can check the network speed, the peak speed, and the disk usage as well, since Steam downloads and installs data parallelly. So you will be able to see this and no further installation will be required. Everything will be handled by Steam and it will give you the direct game in a ready to run manner. So once this downloadation and installation finishes, you can simply play Counter-Strike 2. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.